Where will you live in 10 years? I think I will live in the city, but I would like to have a country house. What will your daily life be like? My daily to the day life will very busy. I get up early, go to the gym, and then start working. After that, we'll check on the business until the evenings. Right, I'll talk my family. Okay. And what things will you enjoy the most? I will really enjoy spending time with my family. We will go for walks together and play games on weekends. I will also really enjoy my work. What will you be able to look up you can do now? Be able to speak English fluently. I'm also going to learn to play the saxophone. It's an instrument I'm passionate about. Plus, I will be able to travel to other countries. What job will you have? I'm going to be an entrepreneur. I'm going to work for a company that manages several barber shops. Who will be the most important people in your life? My family will be the most important thing to me, and the people who support my venture. What places will you visit? I'm going to visit Santorini and Norway. We'll see the architecture and enjoy the nature. What new hobbies or skills will you have learned? I'm going to learn to cook unusual food. I will also learn to swim better. Maybe I start a new hobby like motorcycle touring. What things will you not do? I will not work on weekends. I am not going to spend so much time on my phone. I will stop smoking.